Hello. Welcome to the 2011 United States election. I will be your host. Enjoy the show.
If I were President of United States, one would change the world, and be the first woman of USA to be president.
Yep, I would change the world and track down Bin Laden's men.
Well, I really don't want to step down from the White House, so if you vote for me, I will do what I've done for this country for the past years. Remember me, kill Bin Laden, thank you.
Well, I'm a useless gay working man.
Well, what a show. Remember, keep voting.